Nay, they just put leaves, they just put 3 leaves. We don't live on 3 leaves, we want leaves. You see? That's the reason why we want to be big. All these leaves, what is this? And the leaves are not good. They are good leaves. We want to be meat. We are not herbivores. We are carnivores. You know. We're not herbivores. Hello. Sorry. That was where the moon was doing. Don't tell me to pay Coco. Hello. Masija. I don't go in there. Masija, I know you go around. Pana kuibva kutoze kuti ndo zvinhu zvinokwanza lani. Yes, give me coke please. This leaves, you can eat them.
Sorry?
You can eat this.
Of course you can, yeah, it's a rocket.
I don't get
Nice
it.
and peppery, you don't like it, do you? That's my favorite actually. Yeah, definitely you can eat them, yes.
No pain though.